How can you make short notes on the iPad? Let me talk about it. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, there are more things you might mean by that. There is a functionality called Quick Notes, which is embedded into the iPad, and it's obviously using like the built-in Apple Notes app. But the point is that it only gets triggered with the Apple Pencil, right? So if I check out my settings and go to the Apple Pencil section, you can see that the gesture, which gets enabled from swiping from the bottom right corner, is either the screenshot, nothing, or quick note. And the quick note is the functionality which I'm talking about right now, because you can always just swipe from the corner toward the middle and enable the like quick note. It's going to be like a floating note, which will be actually saved in your actual notes app. So if that is the thing you wanted to do, that's most definitely triggered through the Apple Pencil. And you also have to have it enabled like so in the settings. But of course, there are more ways how you can take notes. Of course, for some quick notes, you can use the slide over view or some different kind of multitasking, because I personally have used the Apple Notes app in many different windows and sizes, because it's very versatile. So for example, I have the Notes app enabled. I can click on the options at the top and go to the window mode, and you can see we can make it go to the left, bottom, top, right. You can resize it in many options that you want. You can you can also turn it into a slide over window, right? So as you can see, there are plenty of ways how you can make the note like smaller or shorter in the size for a better organization. So if there's anything else which you had in mind and I didn't mention it, then let me know about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to get to see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.